Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a 2008 E350 Quigley. It's a four-wheel drive conversion done by Quigley. It's got a 6-liter diesel motor in it. Runs fantastic. A little over 73,000 miles on this truck. Nice big push bar up front. Aluminum wheels. Ranchero shocks all the way around. Also has heated seats. Tow package. And finished in white. Cloth buckets. Got added heated seats here. Power locks, windows, mirrors. All-weather floor mats. Vinyl floor all the way around. And showing 73,186 miles. Custom stereo. It's a Kenwood system. Rear air. Vinyl bench. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm here till 6, Monday through Saturday. Our number is 631-339-0399. Thanks a lot.